Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here to discuss the solutions of Matrix Olympiad paper which was held on 15th of October 2023. So we will start from class 7 and our subject will be physics. So let us start our question paper, and the question number 1 is, the question 1 says the time taken by a car to achieve the velocity of 25 meter per second with the acceleration of 2.5 meter per second starting from rest. So let us note down the given quantities. As we know that the body is starting its motion from rest, its initial velocity is given u is equals to 0, and after some time it attains a final velocity v is equals to 25 meter per second with an acceleration a is equals to 2.5 meter per second square. We have to calculate the value of time in which the body attained this final velocity. From first equation of motion, we know that v is equals to u plus at. So we can write it v minus u is equals to at. From here, we can write the formula of t, which is v minus u upon a. Now, putting the values, t becomes equal to 25 minus 0 divided by 2.5. From this, we get our answer, that is 10 seconds. So the correct answer will be option B, 10 seconds. In next question, it is said a horse is tied to a rope of length 5 meter and other end of the rope is tied to a pole. The distance and displacement traveled by the horse when it makes 3/4 of the revolution along its circular path. That means, let's say if pole is at center point and rope length is 5 meter, which is equals to the radius of circular path, and horse start rotating in a circular path. So let us check what is the distance and displacement of horse during 3/4 revolution. So we know that first of all we have to calculate the distance. So if horse will cover complete round, then distance is given by circumference of circular path, but horse is only traveling 3/4 of circular path, then it means we will write it 3/4 multiplied by 2 pi r. In this case, this 2 will cancel this 4 and we get 3/2 multiplied by pi, and the value of r is given 5. In this situation, we get 5 multiplied by 3, which is 15 pi divided by 2. On solving this, we get the value of distance 7.5 pi meters. So, we can see here in option number A and C, the distance is given 7.5 pi meter. Let us check the value of displacement, then we will get our final answer. So, we know that what is displacement? Displacement is the shortest distance between initial and final position of motion. So let horse start from this point, that is point A, and after traveling half revolution it will reach at this point. Now it will travel 3/4 of the revolution of circular path, so it will reach to this point. In this case, this is 5 meter, this is 5 meter, and let's say this is point P. So the displacement will be equal to the shortest distance between point A and B. So this is a right angle triangle having two sides of 5 meter. So we will find out the third side by using Pythagoras theorem. So in this case, the distance AB is equals to root 5 square plus 5 square, which is equals to 25 plus 25, which becomes equal to 50 root. Now, this root 50 can be written as 5 root 2 meters. Okay, let us check which is the correct answer. So, correct answer is option A. Next question, question number 3. In question number 3, a simple question based on units. Which among the following is the unit of heat? As we can see, Kelvin, degree centigrade and Fahrenheit are the units of temperature, and calorie is the unit of heat. So correct answer is option B. Next question, question number 4. In question number 4, we have to check which statements are true or false. speedometer is used to measure the distance traveled by a vehicle. No, it is a false statement, because a speedometer, as the name suggests, it is a device which is used to measure speed. So we will say it is a false statement. Heat is an invisible form of energy. Yes, heat is an invisible form of energy. So this statement is absolutely true. The distance time graph of a car at rest. If you want to draw distance time graph, let us take on x-axis time, and on y-axis we will take distance. Okay, let's say S. So if car is at rest, that means the value of distance will not increase. So the graph will be a parallel line to time axis. So this is also a true statement. So our correct code will be false, true, and true. So option D is our correct answer. Next question, question number 5. In question number 5, we have to match the following with column 1 with column 2. So we know that convection is related to the gases, because the mode of heat transfer, which is known as convection, is possible in fluids, and gases are in fluids. So for convection it is 2. So we know that for vacuum, the light coming from sun is in the form of radiation and it travels in vacuum. So for vacuum we will write 3, and conduction is only possible in solids. So we will write for conduction that is 1. So correct code will be 2, 3, 1. So let us check 2, 3, 1. That means option A is our correct answer. Next question, question number 6. In question number 6, sea breeze and land breeze are formed due to, very simple question. We know that sea breeze and land breeze are formed due to convection. So correct answer is option C. Next question and the last question of physics subject. So there are 4 graphs given in our options, and it is asked, Tarzan is speeding up his wonder car. That means Tarzan is moving with changing velocity and is speeding up his car. That means he is increasing his velocity. That means body is moving with acceleration. So it will not travel equal distance in equal time. So when Tarzan is speeding up his wonder car during a police chase on a straight horizontal road, which of the following is correct possible distance time graph for the motion of Tarzan's car? So from here we can say in this, distance is decreasing with time, which is not possible. In this, object is at rest because distance is constant with time. So this is also not our answer. In this, in equal time interval, object is traveling equal distance. That means acceleration is 0. Here we can see as the time increases, the distance traveled is also increasing. That means the correct option is option A. So we have solved all the questions which are related to physics subjects. Now, for more information and notification regarding result and prizes of Olympiad, please subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone. Now we will discuss the chemistry portion of class 7th. Yes, let's see the first question. The question is, which fiber is known as the diamond fiber? Option A, silk. Option B, mohair wool. Option C is cotton. And option D is angora wool. The right option is mohair wool. Mohair wool is one of a premium wool which is obtained from the fleece of the long-haired Angora goats, and this is also an ancient wool. Because of its sheen and strength, it is known as the diamond fiber. Okay, so the option B is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. Next question is, which natural fiber is known for its gluey appearance and soft texture? Option A is cotton. Option B is jute. Option C is silk. And option D is coir. So option C is the right option for this question. Why the option C is the right option? So option C is the right option for this question. Why it is the right option? Which natural fiber is known as the gluey appearance? Why it show the gluey appearance? Because in the silk, there are triangular prism-like structure present which reflect the light, and due to its smooth surface, when light impart on silk, then it reflect that light and show the gluey and shiny look. So because of that, silk is right option for this question. Now see the next question. The silk fiber is obtained from option A, fleece of sheep, option B, cotton ball, option C, cocoon, and option D is none of these. The right option for this question is cocoon. First, the silkworm eat mulberry leaves and release larvae, which larvae are convert into cocoon, and this cocoon form the silk fiber. Now, the next question is, which of the following statement is true or false? First statement is, the correct chemical formula of baking soda is Na2CO3. This is completely a wrong statement because we know that Na2CO3 is sodium carbonate, and the sodium carbonate is the formula of washing soda, not baking soda. The formula of baking soda is NaHCO3, which is also known as sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate. So this is a false statement. Second statement is, red cabbage is a synthetic indicator. Indicators are the substances which we can use for the identification of acid and base, and the indicators are obtained from the nature as well as we can obtain from the labs also. So the indicators which we can get from the nature, that are known as the natural indicators. So red cabbage is obtained from the natural sources. So the red cabbage is a natural indicator, not a synthetic indicator. So this is also a false statement. Now let's see the next statement. Na2CO3 is a basic salt. Na2CO3 is a basic salt. Yes, it is a basic salt. How it is a basic salt? Na2CO3 is formed by the combination of NaOH and H2CO3. NaOH is known as sodium hydroxide and H2CO3 is carbonic acid. NaOH is a sodium hydroxide which is a strong base, and H2CO3 is carbonic acid which is a weak acid. So when strong base combined with weak acid, it forms a basic solution. So Na2CO3 is a basic salt. So this is a true statement. So false, false and true. The option C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. Match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Column first, P vinegar, Q caustic soda, and T is tartaric acid. And here in the column second, one is sodium hydroxide, second is tamarind, and option third is acetic acid. We know that vinegar present in the acetic acid, so P match with the third option. Caustic soda. Caustic soda is NaOH. So sodium hydroxide is also NaOH. So caustic soda and sodium hydroxide is same species, which is NaOH. And the tartaric acid. Tartaric acid present in the tamarind. So the QR is attached with the option second. So P goes with the option third, Q with first, and R with second. So 3, 1, 2. Option B is the right option. Now let's see the next question. Due to the use of excess of fertilizers in the soil, the nature of the soil becomes acidic. Acidic soils is not good for plants. To neutralize the acidity of the soil, some bases like slag lime or quicklime is added to the soil. Which of the following substance is used to treat the acidity of soil? Option A is calcium hydroxide. Option B is calcium oxide. Option C is both A and B. And option D is none of this. Let's see the option 1. Option 1 or option A is calcium hydroxide. What is the formula of calcium hydroxide? The formula of calcium hydroxide is CaOH whole twice. And this CaOH whole twice, calcium hydroxide, is also known as the slag line. Now, let's see the option B, calcium oxide. Calcium oxide is CaO, and the CaO is also known as the quicklime. So, the option C, both A and B are the substances which used for the neutralizing the acidity of soil. So, the option C is the right option for this question.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 7th for biology portion. Now first question is, given below are the various steps involved in animal nutrition. First, assimilation. Second, ingestion. Third, absorption. Next, digestion. Then, which is the correct sequence order in an animal nutrition? Correct sequence. Arrange the in correct sequence. Like first is ingestion. First is ingestion. Next one is digestion. And next one absorption. And next assimilation. And last is egestion. That not include in this options. Now second, fourth, third and first. Second, fourth, third and first. Option C is the right answer for this question. According to question, sequence order is of second, fourth, third and 1. Right answer is option C. Next question. Penguins keep themselves warm by. Penguins, their black and white color. No, not right. Their thick skin. Wow, right. Next one, huddle together to warm up. Right. Or right answer is both B and C. Penguins, their skin and huddle together warm themselves. Right answer is option D, B and C. Next question, the equation given below represent photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process in which plants make their food by the help of chlorophyll and sunlight. Raw material X and water convert into glucose plus Y. X is carbon dioxide and Y glucose plus oxygen. Then our right answer for this, which of the following represent X and Y in the given equation? X carbon dioxide, Y oxygen. Option A is the right answer and another wrong. So option A is the right answer for this equation. Next question. What is the role of the bacteria in leguminous plant? Leguminous plant mean to say pulses plant. Pulses plant's root include bacteria. Bacteria convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates present at root surface, at soil surface. So, option A, convert oxide for nitrogen into soil nitrate? No. Convert atmospheric nitrogen gas into soil? nitrate. Right answer is option B. Atmospheric nitrogen convert into nitrates. Right answer is option B. Next question. Which statement is true about peristalsis movement? Peristalsis movement, wave-like movement. The wearing out of color on parts of leaves due to lack of carbon dioxide and chlorophyll, that's wrong. The process of breakdown of large food molecule into simpler by the amylase, that's wrong. Movement of food through the alimentary canal by the wave-like movement controlled by the involuntary muscles, that is right option for this question. Wave-like movement, this movement help in transfer of food, alimentary canal to food pipe to stomach. The right answer is option C. Next, match the column first with the column second. Polar bear, camel and fish. 3 options. Polar bear has fat in its skin for warm up. Camel hump on their back. And fish body streamline structure. So right options, right answer P third, Q1, R second. 312. Option B is the right answer for given column. Next question. Taste bud are sensory organs that are found on our tongue and allow us to experience taste that are sweet, salt, sour and bitter. 4 birds show in this diagram. Which labeled part of tongue detect the flavor of lemon juice? In this one, that show sweet. Next, second show salty. Third show sour. And last one show bitter. Our taste buds show this 4 type of taste in different kind of food. Lemon juice show sour in taste. Third is the right answer. Third option C. Option C is the right answer for lemon juice. This is all about Olympiad Biology solution for class 7. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Continuing the discussion of Matrix Olympiad paper for class 7th, here I am to discuss the solution of part 4, that is of mathematics. So, before going towards the solution, let me remind you, अगर आपने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जल्दी से उसको सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को हिट करें ताकि MOF से रिलेटेड सारी अपडेट्स आपको जल्दी से मिल जाएं और एक भी अपडेट आपकी मिस ना हो. So let's start the solution of the questions. Now let's start the first question of this part. That is value of -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1 ... 11 times is. यानी -1 11 times क्या हो रहा है? Multiply. So here -1 multiplied by -1 is +1. Then +1 multiplied by -1 is -1. तो ये 11 times इस तरह से process चलेगा. It means 11 is your odd number और odd number के अंदर अगर negative sign होता है that represent your answer in the negative form. So here the answer is -1. That is option C. Now let's start the next question of this part. The value of 63 minus -3 minus 2 minus 8 minus 3 whole bar divided by 3, then curly bracket start 5 plus minus 2 multiply by minus 1 curly bracket close is. आपको इस expression को क्या करना है? Solve करना है. Let's solve this expression. You have to solve this expression with the help of board mass. So here, first we will solve the bar. 8 minus 3 is 5. Divided by 3. Minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 is 2. That is of positive. So here comes the answer, that is 62. So after solving this, we get 62. Now here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 23. Here Kritika used to note in her accounts book positive numbers for profits and negative number for losses that she make in her businesses. Now these are the last 7 days entries that Kritika has noted down. So here what we have to do, we have to find out the profit that she make in the last week. So here to find out the profit, let's calculate all the numbers. So here 21 plus negative 19, positive 11, negative 20 plus 17 plus 25 and here negative 13. So here what we are going to do, we are going to add them all. Now here 21 plus minus is minus, so 21 minus 19 plus 11 minus 20 plus 17 plus 25 negative 13. 21 minus 19, we have 2 plus 11 minus 20, 17 plus 25 negative 13. Now here we get negative 13, positive 13 will become 0. Minus 20 plus 17 is negative 3 plus 25. Here we get 22. So the correct option here is B option, that is 22. Now let's start question number 24. Which list of integers is in order from least to the greatest? तो हमें ये बताना है कि जो इंटीजर्स हैं वो लीस्ट से ग्रेटेस्ट की तरफ मूव करते हुए यहाँ पर लिस्टेड होने चाहिए. तो आउट ऑफ 4 ऑप्शन वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द करेक्ट सीक्वेंस. हियर ऑप्शन ए इज negative 42, negative 39, negative 4, 40 एंड 41. यहाँ पे जो नेगेटिव नंबर में सबसे बड़ा नंबर होगा वो क्या है? सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होता है. जो नेगेटिव के अंदर, जैसे यहाँ पे नेगेटिव 42 है तो 42 क्या है? सबसे छोटा नंबर है. बट पूरे नंबर्स में तो सबसे बड़ा है ना 42, बट नेगेटिव साइन लगने की वजह से ये क्या हो गया? सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर हो गया है. आफ्टर देन माइनस 39. अब 39 क्या है? कंपैरिजन अगर करें नेगेटिव 42 एंड नेगेटिव 39 में, तो हमारा नेगेटिव 39 क्या है? राइट हैंड साइड रहता है नेगेटिव 42 के नंबर लाइन पे. तो इसकी वजह से जो नेगेटिव 39 है वो क्या है? ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है नेगेटिव 42 के कंपैरिजन में. देन वी हैव नेगेटिव 4, देन 40 एंड देन 41. तो ये जो सीक्वेंस है ये आपकी एकदम करेक्ट सीक्वेंस फॉर्म हुई है. नाउ लेट्स चेक द सेकेंड ऑप्शन -42 देन +41। तो यहाँ पर क्या हुआ है, -42 क्या है, सबसे छोटा नंबर है, बट 41 क्या है, उससे बड़ा नंबर है। आफ्टर 41 वी हैव 40। अब 41 बड़ा है बट एकदम से 40 क्या आ गया, स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर। तो यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, नेगेटिव देन पॉजिटिव, और पॉजिटिव के अंदर जब दो नंबर में आप कंपैरिजन कर रहे हो 41 एंड 40 में, तो आपका 41 क्या हो गया, ग्रेटेस्ट। जबकि सीक्वेंस हमें फॉलो करनी है, सबसे छोटा फिर उससे बड़ा फिर उससे बड़ा, और इस साइड से हमें मूव ऑन करना है। तो यहाँ पर आ गया है सबसे छोटा, फिर थोड़ा सा बड़ा, फिर छोटा, एंड फिर -39 है, ये भी क्या स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर है, कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो ये सीक्वेंस क्या है आपकी, करेक्ट फॉर्म नहीं हो रही है। नाउ हियर द थर्ड ऑप्शन इज -4 -39। -4 क्या है, ग्रेटर है -39 के कंपैरिजन में, तो फर्स्ट नंबर ही आपका क्या आ गया, ग्रेटेस्ट। तो हमारी ये वाली सीक्वेंस भी फॉलो नहीं होगी। नाउ हियर बी सीक्वेंस भी फॉलो नहीं हो रही है, सी सीक्वेंस भी फॉलो नहीं हो रही है। नाउ द डी ऑप्शन इज 41 40। स्टार्टिंग हमारा है लीस्ट नंबर से, तो हेयर इन ऑप्शन डी जो स्टार्टिंग हो रही है वो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर से हो रही है। 41 क्या है, कंपैरेटिव टू 40 ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर है, तो ये वाला सीक्वेंस भी आपका फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है क्वेश्चन। सो हेयर ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर विच इज फॉलोइंग लीस्ट टू द ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर। नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 25। The difference between the greatest and the least number of 5/9, 1/9, 11/9 is, आपको डिफरेंस बताना है ग्रेटेस्ट एंड लीस्ट नंबर के अंदर। तो ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर कौन है यहाँ पे, here it is 11/9। डिफरेंस बताना है, it means we have to put the subtraction sign and after that 1/9. So 11/9 minus 1/9 gives us 10/9. So here the answer is 10/9. So let's check the option. Here option C is the correct answer. Now question number 26. Suppose in a game of Ludo, the player requires 1, 3, 5 and 6 to be safe. लूडो गेम खेल रहे हैं और उसमें एक प्लेयर को सेफ जोन में जाने के लिए 1, 3, 5 एंड 6 नंबर चाहिए। What is the probability of being unsafe? अब unsafe आने की probability क्या है? लूडो के अंदर we have a dice that have the total outcome of 6. तो here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. तो डाइस के अंदर टोटल आउटकम्स कितने होते हैं? 6 होते हैं। अब यहाँ पे सेफ जोन के लिए 1 है हमारे पास, 3 एंड 5 एंड 6। हमारे पास नंबर हो गए 1, 3, 5 एंड 6। ये 4 नंबर्स हैं जो कि सेफ जोन में जा रहे हैं। तो अनसेफ के लिए हमारे पास है 2 एंड 4। इट मीन्स देयर आर 2 फेवरेबल टर्म्स। तो प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या होती है किसी भी इवेंट की? टोटल नंबर ऑफ फेवरेबल आउटकम्स अपॉन पॉसिबल आउटकम्स। तो यहाँ पर फेवरेबल आउटकम हमारे पास हो गए हैं 2 और टोटल नंबर ऑफ पॉसिबल आउटकम्स कितने हमारे पास? 6. So here the answer is 2/6. So option C is the correct answer. Now here comes the next question, that is 27. In this question, we are asked to write 5 added to thrice a number is equal to 12. Added to twice the number, what is the number? We have to find out the unknown number. So let the number be x. So let's read the statement again and then form the equation. 5 added to thrice a number. It means 5 plus thrice a number means 3x equal to 12. Now added to twice the number. Now here added to twice the number means 2x. Now according to question, we have the equation like this. 5 plus 3x equal to 12 plus 2x. Now let's solve it. Variable term one side and constant term on another side. After transposition, we get 3x minus 2x equal to 12 minus 5. So here 3x minus 2x is x. 12 minus 5 is 7. So the value of x is equal to 7. Now here we have to find out the number. The number is 7. So option C is the correct answer. Now here comes the next question. Next question is question number 28. In this question, a farmer divides her herds of n cows among his 4 sons. यहाँ पर एक फार्मर है, फार्मर के पास n number of cows है और वो क्या कर रहा है? He wants to distribute them into his 4 sons. Now first son gets 1/2 the herd. जो भी total number of herd है उसका कितना मिल रहा है? 1/2. So here let the number of cows be n. So here the first son gets 1/2. It means n upon 2. Now the next is the second son gets 1/4. Second son को मिला है 1/4. So n upon 4 because n is the total number of cows. So here n upon 4 is given to the second son by the farmer. The third son gets 1/5. 1/5 means n upon 5 and here the fourth son gets 7 cow. So here we are going to add them all and that all is equal to the total number of cows. So let's calculate them all. So here n is equal to n upon 2 plus n upon 4 plus n upon 5 plus 7. So let's take the LCM. LCM of 2, 4 and 5 is equal to 20. So let's calculate. Here LCM will be 20. Now the numerator will become 10n plus 5n plus 4n plus 140. And the next step will be, we will transpose 20 to the left hand side. So here it becomes 20n. 10n plus 5n plus 9n will become 19n plus 140. Now we will going to transpose 19n and it will become negative on the left hand side. So here the value of n is 140. So the total number of cows are 140. Here option B is the correct answer. Now let's start next question, that is 29th question. Here we have to solve for x. It means question हमें दिया हुआ है, एक equation है, इसे हमें solve करना है. Let's solve the equation first, then check what is the answer. So here x plus 2 upon 6 minus 11 minus x upon 3 अब सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या लेंगे, इसमें एलसीएम लेंगे 6, 3 एंड 4 का. सो एलसीएम ऑफ 6, 3 एंड 4 इज इक्वल टू 12. 12 लेने के बाद हमें क्या करना है, हेयर x प्लस 2 को हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे 2 के साथ. Now, the next step will be 2x plus 4 minus 44 minus 4x negative 3 upon 12. 12 से 12 cancel. So our answer is 11. Here option A is 13, B is 10, C is 14 and D is 11. So correct answer is option D, that is 11. Next is question number 30. If x is equal to y plus z upon 3, then find the value of y in terms of x and z. हमें x इक्वल टू y प्लस z अपॉन 3 दिया हुआ है और हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है y की वैल्यू किसकी टर्म्स में, x एंड z की टर्म्स में. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू. हियर वी डू द क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन. तो 3x इक्वल टू y प्लस z. हियर वी गेट 3x माइनस z इक्वल टू y. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ y इज 3x minus z. So here option C is the correct answer. Now we have question number 31. In the adjoining figure, it is being given that AO is parallel to CD. जो AO line है वो parallel है हमारी CD line के. OB is parallel to CE. OB वाली line CE line के parallel है. And AOB is equal to 50 degree. AOB is given to us, that is 50 degree. Find out क्या करना है हमें, angle ECD. So here angle ECD we have to find it out. ये वाला angle हमें find करना है. तो इसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, parallel lines वाला concept हमें apply करना है. OA and CD is parallel to each other. तो OD क्या हो गई हमारी transversal line. If this angle is 50 तो angle D भी हमारा क्या हो जाएगा 50 degree because of the corresponding angles. अब हमारी लाइन CE पैरेलल है DB के. जब ये दोनों लाइंस आपस में पैरेलल हैं तो जो ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन होगी वो हमारी हो जाएगी CD लाइन. तो CD लाइन जब ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन हो जाएगी तो हमारा ये एंगल अगर 50 है तो ये वाला एंगल फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें को इंटीरियर एंगल वाला कॉन्सेप्ट लगाना है. तो को इंटीरियर एंगल क्या होते हैं, अंदर वाले जो दोनों एंगल्स होते हैं उनका सम क्या होता है 180 डिग्री. सो लेट इट बी x. अननोन नंबर को x ले लेते हैं. ये हो गया 50 डिग्री प्लस x इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. तो को इंटीरियर वाला कॉन्सेप्ट लगाने के बाद हमें x की वैल्यू कितनी मिल जाएगी 180 माइनस 50 दैट इज इक्वल टू 130 डिग्री. सो हियर ऑप्शन D इज द करेक्ट answer. Now the next question is question number 32. The angles are supplementary and the larger angle is 40 degree less than 3 times the smaller angle. Find the angles. हमारे angles बता रखे हैं, supplementary angles हैं. Supplementary angles are the angles in which sum of two angle is equal to 180 degree. अब ये कहता है कि larger angle क्या है 40 degree less than 3 times the smaller angle. So let the smaller angle be x. अगर स्मॉलर एंगल हमारा x है तो दूसरा एंगल कितना हो जाएगा, लार्जर एंगल. थ्री एक्स माइनस 40 डिग्री, क्योंकि यहाँ पे बोल रहा है लार्जर एंगल इज 40 डिग्री लेस देन 3 टाइम्स द स्मॉलर एंगल. नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन x plus 3x minus 40 is equal to 180 degree. Now let's solve. So here the value of x is equal to 55 degree. Now the smaller angle is 55 degree, and let's find out the larger number. 3 multiplied by 50 minus 40. So one angle is 55 degree and the larger angle is 125 degree. So here let's check the options, and here we have option C, that is 55 and 125 degree. So option C is the correct answer. Now question number 33. In the given figure, BA is parallel to DC. Line हमें दे रखी है BA, it means this line is parallel to DC line, and PQ is a transversal of BA. PQ जो line है वो BA की क्या हो गई है? Transversal, BA and DC के. Right? Now, if angle PMA is equal to 70 degree, PMA, it means this angle is equal to 70 degree, and DNM, ये वाला जो angle है ये कितना हो गया आपका? 2x plus 30. Then find the value of x. We have to find out the value of x here. So parallel lines are transversal hai. Now here we can use the parallel line concept. PMA अगर 70 डिग्री है तो हमारा एंगल MNC, ये वाला एंगल भी आपका क्या हो जाएगा? 70 डिग्री, because of the corresponding angles. Now MND जो हमारा एंगल है MND, एंगल MND प्लस एंगल MNC is equal to 180 डिग्री. एक स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो हमारे पास ये 180 डिग्री है. लीनियर पेयर कॉन्सेप्ट भी आप यहाँ पे ले सकते हैं. Now here we have to simply put the values. 2x plus 30 plus 70 is equal to 180. So here the value of x is 80 upon 2, that is x is equal to 40 degree. So value of x is 40 degree. Here option A is the correct answer. Here now let's move on to the next question. Next question is question number 34. In the given figure, if AB parallel to CD parallel to XY, यहाँ पे 3 lines हमें given है and these 3 lines are parallel to each other. Now the next line is OC parallel to EB. Here OC parallel to EB is also given to us. Next what we have, angle ABE is equal to 46 degree. Here ABE is equal to 46 degree. So this angle is given to us. Angle EDC is equal to 33 degree. EDC is equal to 33 degree. This is given to us. Now we have two angles with us and we have to find out the value of angle E and angle OCD. So here OCD is unknown to us and next is angle E. So these two angles we have to find out. So let's come back to the concept and recall it once कि parallel lines के अंदर जब transversal दी हुई होती है, it means we have the property of alternate interior angle here. So while looking the two lines XY and CD, these two lines are parallel to each other and here ED is transversal. So here EDC is equal to angle YED because these two angles are alternate interior angles. So this will become 33 degree. In the same way, if we check the above two lines, YX is parallel to BA. So here BE is transversal to them and here 46 degree is given as angle ABE. Now ABE is equal to angle YEB because these two angles are also alternate interior angle. So to find out angle E, what we will going to do, we will just add them 46 plus 33 degree. So 46 degree plus 33 degree is 79 degree. So we got the value of angle E, that is 79. Now let's move on to the next angle. Here we have to find out angle FCD. हमें angle FCD find out करने के लिए again we have to take the help of these parallel lines. Now you can see that BA and YX are parallel to each other. So angle this BEY is equal to angle OFY. Due to corresponding angles, both angles are equal. So if angle BEY is 46 degree, then angle OFY is also 46 degree. क्योंकि ये दोनों angles क्या हैं? Corresponding angles हैं. Now if we see YX and DC, these two lines are also parallel to each other and here the transversal line is FC. Angle OFY is equal to angle FCD because these two angles are also corresponding angles. So here if angle OFY is 46 degree, then angle FCD is also become 46 degree. Because both angles are corresponding to each other. So here angle OCD is equal to 46 degree. So here option A is the correct answer. Now let's move on to the next question. Next question is question number 35. In the given figure, QP is parallel to TS. QP वाली लाइन जो है वो TS लाइन के parallel है. Next is QRS. Here QRS is given to us, that is 36 degree. ये already given है. हमें find out करना है angle PQR. PQR हमें find out करना है. It means we have to find out the value of X here. So for X, what we will going to do, we will just extend the line. After extending, जहां पर intersect हो रही है हमने वहां पर V point दे दिया है and this point is U. So here two lines are parallel to each other, that is QP is parallel to TS. Now here if these two lines are parallel to each other, then here QV is the transversal. Angle PQV is equal to angle UVR because of corresponding angle. अगर ये X degree है तो this angle will also be X. Now let's find out the interior angle. Here we have formed a triangle यहाँ पर एक ट्राइंगल फॉर्म हो गया है. If this is 2x, then the interior angle will be 180 degree minus 2x. If we talk about the triangle, in triangle SVR, हमारे पास एंगल S क्या हो जाएगा? 180 minus 2x. Now, next angle is angle R. So, angle R is given to us, that is 36 degree. And with the help of exterior angle property, we can say that the sum of two opposite interior angle is equal to the exterior angle. So, here exterior angle is x और जो अंदर के इंटीरियर एंगल है हमारे दो अपोजिट साइड के, उन दोनों का जो सम है वो हमारे x के इक्वल हो जाएगा because of exterior angle property. Now here we are going to calculate it. 180 plus 36 minus 2x equal to x. So 180 plus 36 is 216 equal to 3x. Now 216 equal to x. So the value of x is 72. Here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 36. If AB and CD are parallel in the given figure, अगर AB और CD lines parallel हैं, then the value of x plus y is, we have to find out the value of first x and y, then after finding out the value we have to add them together. And let's begin with the calculation part. Here, to find out the value of x, we have to first observe the figure quickly. Now here, CD is parallel to AB. If these two lines are parallel, then EA is transversal. Now, if EA is transversal, then we can see that angle EAB is equal to angle CEA, as these two angles are alternate interior angle. So, due to alternate interior angles, angle X is equal to 30 degree. In the same way, we can calculate the value of Y also. Here, EB is transversal and angle EBA is equal to angle DEB, because angle DEB is also alternate interior angle of angle EBA. Here, angle DEB is equal to angle EBA because of alternate interior angle. So, here the value of y is also 50. Now, we have to find out the value of x and y together. Here x is 30 plus y is 50. So, 30 plus 50, we get 80. So, option B is the correct answer. Now, let's begin with the next question. Question number 37. Question number 37 में हमारे पास एक triangle है ABC and here the side AC is equal to CB and CD is equal to CE. So, here two sides are equal to each other and we have to find out the value of angle W plus angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z. So, to find out the value, we have to first check which angle is given to us. Now, here angle TCE is given to us, that is 100 degree. So, here if we calculate this angle, so here angle TCE plus angle ECD is equal to 180 degree because of linear pair. So, here we can write it down, TCE angle plus angle ECD is equal to 180 degree. Now, here TCE is 100 degree plus ECD is equal to 180 degree. So angle ECD is equal to 180 minus 100. So it becomes 80. So here angle C is 80 degree. Now CD is equal to CE. So due to this, the base angle will be equal. So here angle Y is equal to angle Z. Because in isosceles triangle, base angle are also equal. So angle sum property we will going to apply here. Angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 180 degree. Here angle C is 80 degree plus angle D is Y plus angle E. We can write it down in place of Z, Y also, because the angles are equal to each other. Here 2y is equal to 180 minus 80. So it becomes 100 and the value of y is 100 divided by 2, that is 50. It means the value of y is 50 and the same way the value of z will also be 50. Now let's move on to the next W and X angle. So here AC is equal to CB. So here also we are having an isosceles triangle ABC, and due to this the base angle will also be equal. So here angle W is equal to angle X. The same angle sum property we are going to use. We know that angle C is 80 degree and here we have angle W plus angle. In place of angle X we are going to write it down W as both angles are equal. Here 80 plus 2 angle W is equal to 180 degree. 2 angle W is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. Here 100 upon 2. After cancellation we get the value of W is equal to 50. So here if angle W is equal to 50, then angle X is also be 50. So here we get the values of all the unknown angles. Let's put the value. Angle W is 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50. Now here angle W is also 50, angle X is also 50, angle Y is also 50 and angle Z is also 50. So after adding all these angles, we get 200 degree. So here option B is the correct answer. Now the next question is, we have to find out X ratio Y in the given figure. Now here we are given with the parallel line, that is CD is parallel to BF and EC is parallel to BA. So let's find out the angles first, then we will going to calculate X ratio Y. So here first we will going to find out the value of Y as CD is parallel to BF. So co-interior angle property हम लोग use करेंगे parallel lines की. That says that angle Y plus angle 50 is equal to 180 degree. So here angle Y is equal to 180 minus 150 degree. So it will become 30 degree. So angle Y is 30 degree. Now CE is transversal. So angle Y is equal to interior of this angle, angle E. अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल है तो ये वाला एंगल अगर 30 है तो इसके अल्टरनेट के अंदर CEB भी आपका क्या हो जाएगा 30 डिग्री. सो हेयर एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी वी आर गोइंग टू यूज हेयर. दिस इज 40 डिग्री, this is 30 degree and we can use the angle sum property for the triangle 40 plus 30 plus Z we can also do. And the another property we have, that is exterior angle property. एक्सटीरियर एंगल में आपके पास 150 है और अपोजिट टू एंगल्स के क्या होता है, सम के इक्वल होता है एक्सटीरियर एंगल. सो हियर इट इज 150 माइनस 40 करेंगे तो वी विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ z, दैट इज 110. राइट, तो द वैल्यू ऑफ z इज 110. Now to find out the value of x, what we are going to do? We are going to check the another parallel line, that is CE is parallel to BA. Now CB is transversal line here. अगर ये आपका 40 डिग्री है then value of x will also be 40 degree due to alternate interior angle. So here we have value of x that is equal to 40 degree. And here we have value of y that is equal to 30 degree. So to write down in ratio form, what we are going to do, 40 ratio 30. So after doing the simplest form, we will get 4 ratio 3. So here option B is the correct answer. Now let's start the next question, that is question number 39. Find the angles x and y respectively in the following figure. आपके पास एक फिगर गिवन है और यहाँ पर आपको बोला गया है you have to find out the value of x and y. तो यहाँ पर ऑब्जर्व करने के बाद हमें ये दिखाई दे रहा है कि CD line and BE line are parallel to each other. तो पैरेलल लाइन से इट मीन CB लाइन क्या हो गई है, ट्रांसवर्सल हो गई है, जिसकी वजह से एंगल DCB इज इक्वल टू EBA. एंगल EBA के इक्वल हो गया हमारा एंगल DCB. तो दिस इज ऑल्सो 108. नाउ पैरेलल लाइन है CD एंड BE, तो हमारे अगर इस साइड से एक्सटेंड करते हैं तो ट्रांसवर्सल हमारी DE लाइन हो जाएगी. अगर एंगल BEA 45 डिग्री है तो ये किसके इक्वल हो जाएगा, CDE के. सो एंगल x will be 45 degree because of the corresponding angles. अब यहाँ पे 45 डिग्री x की वैल्यू आ चुकी है. We have to find out the value of y here. तो y की वैल्यू निकालने के लिए हम लोग एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी यूज में लेंगे ट्राइंगल की. That says that sum of 3 angle is equal to 180 डिग्री. तो हमारे पास 45 डिग्री है, 108 डिग्री है. थर्ड एंगल हमारे पास y है, that is equal to 180 डिग्री. तो y निकालने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे, 180 डिग्री में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे 108 minus 45. So we will get answer 27 degree. So here option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 40. Question number 40 says that find the value of x in the following figure if AD is perpendicular to BC. इस फॉलोइंग फिगर में हमें फाइंड आउट करनी है वैल्यू ऑफ x. तो ये रहा हमारा एंगल x. AD परपेंडिकुलर है BC के, तो ये 90 डिग्री है, तो ADC भी हमारा 90 डिग्री हो गया. AE इज द बाइसेक्टर ऑफ DAC. AE जो लाइन है वो बाइसेक्टर है DAC की. इट मीन्स अगर ये x है तो ये वाला एंगल भी हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, x, क्योंकि दोनों ही क्या है, इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड है. सो लेट्स फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ x. यहाँ 30 डिग्री है, दिस इज 90 डिग्री. एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी लगाते हैं हम ट्राइंगल ADC में. सो हियर एंगल ADC प्लस एंगल ACD प्लस एंगल DAC इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री होता है. अब यहाँ पर हम कर रहे हैं एंगल ADC इज 90 डिग्री, दैट इज गिवन अस. एंगल ACD इज आल्सो गिवन अस, दैट इज 30 डिग्री प्लस एंगल DAC is unknown to us. Now we have to find out the value of angle DAC, that is equal to 180 minus 120 degree. So we will get here 60 degree. एंगल DAC में एंगल AE क्या है, बाइसेक्टर. तो यहाँ पर DAC क्या बना रहा है, x प्लस एक्स, दैट इज 2x. तो x की वैल्यू क्या आ गई हमारे पास, 60 अपॉन 2 that is 30 degree. तो यहाँ पे x क्या हो गया हमारा 30 degree. So here option A is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 41. Which of the following statement is are true or false? हमें बताना है कौन सी statement true है, कौन सी statement false है. तीन statement हमारे पास हैं. Let's begin with the first statement. Now the first statement is multiplication of two integers with unlike sign are always positive. जब हम multiply करते हैं दो integers को. Now here two integers, let it be 2 multiply by 3. Now here two integers with unlike sign. Let the first number be positive and the second number be negative. Now the answer is in the negative form. So the first statement is false. The second is when a positive integer is divided by a negative integer. जब भी कोई positive integer है, let it be 4 divided by a negative integer, let it be negative 2. The quotient obtained is a negative integer. तो जो आंसर आएगा वो भी हमारा क्या आएगा नेगेटिव के अंदर आएगा. So this is correct one. The statement is true. The next is third statement. Product of odd number of times of negative integer is positive. प्रोडक्ट करेंगे कोई भी नेगेटिव ऑड नंबर्स होंगे जैसे आपके पास -1 मल्टीप्लाई बाय -2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय -3. If you have the product of odd number of times the negative integer, then 1, 2, 3, 3 number is a odd number. तो जो आंसर आएगा वो क्या आएगा पॉजिटिव आएगा. So -1 multiplied by -2 gives us 2 and +2 multiplied by -3 will give us -6. So the answer is in the negative form. So the last statement is false. Now the sequence is false, true, false. So here option D is the correct answer. Now let's start the next question. Question number 42. In this question we have to find out which statement is true and which statement is false. तीन statement है हमारे पास. तीनों statement में देखते हैं कौन सी statement हमारी true है which statement is false here. Now first statement is value of number increases when decimal moves from right to left. Let's take an example 2157. Now here value of number increases. जो number की value है वो increase होगी when decimal moves from right to left. जब ये decimal right से left की तरफ जाएगा. Now the number is 2157. Let's shift the decimal. Here the decimal is in the right place. Now after moving towards the left place, we will get the number as 215. If we shift one more step, then we get 21.57. And if we shift 1 point more, we get 2.157. So here the number is continuously in the decreasing form. So the first statement is false. The next is 0.30 is less than 0.3000. So here the numbers are same. And if we place 2 more 0 on the right hand side of the decimal, the numbers seems like to be same. So here the number is not less than 0.3000, but the numbers are equal to each other. So here this statement is also false. The next statement is 1 divided by 20 can be written as 0.05. So here the statement is true because if we divide 20 by 1, we get So here 0.05 is the correct answer. So we can say that the third statement is true. So here the sequence is false, false and true. So option C is the correct answer. Now the next question is 43 question, and in this let's start with the first statement quickly and check whether this statement is true or false. The mode is always one of the number in the data. जो mode होता है वो हमेशा हमें data के अंदर ही number मिलता है. So this statement is true. Second is mean is one of the number in the data. So this statement is false because mean क्या होता है? Mean is the average of the observations, or we can say that the numbers. Mean का formula क्या होता है? Sum of all observations upon total number of observation, और जो answer है that can be different from the given data. So here the statement is false. Now the third statement is the median is always one of the numbers in a data. So this statement is false because median depends upon the number of observation. Here observations can be even and observations can be odd. So it is not compulsory that the median is always one of the numbers in a data. So that's why this statement is false. So according to the sequence, here sequence is true, false, false. So according to sequence, let's check the option. The first option is correct. That is true, false and false. So option A is the correct answer. So the next question is question number 44. In this question number 44, we have to match the column here. So let's solve the first one, that is P part. Here 4 3 upon 10 will become 43 upon 10 minus 1 2 upon 5 is 7 upon 5 plus 73 upon 9. Here we can see that in column 2 all the answers are in decimal form. So let's convert them into the decimal form. 43 upon 10 can be written as 4.3 minus 7 upon 5 can be written as 1.4 plus 73 upon 9 can be written as 8.11. So here let's subtract 4.3 minus 1.4 is 1.2 plus 8.11. So here 2.9 plus 811. So 2.9 plus 811 will give us 11.01. So here the answer is second one, that is 11.011. Now let's solve the next part, that is Q. Here all the numbers are in the decimal. 0.25 plus 9.81 multiply by 6.4 multiply plus 37 upon 8. So here let's convert it into the decimal part. So here for the Q part, we have the third option. Now for the next, that is R, here we get 19 upon 8. Here we get 2.395. So the sequence is 2, 3, 1. Here 2, 3, 1 is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 45. We have to again do the match the column, and here the word is array. Now here the word array stands for a raw data that can be arranged in ascending or descending order. So here for P we have 2. Now for the statistic, what is a statistic? It is the deal with collections, presentation, analysis and interpretation of data. So here matches with the 3. Now the next and the last one is median. Median क्या है? The value of middlemost observation. It is the middlemost observation of the data. So here the sequence is 2, 3, 1. So option D is the correct answer. Now the next one is question number 46. In this question number 46, the first statement that is given to us is if you take away 5 from 5 times a number, you get 50. Find the number. So here let the number be x. Let's solve P part. The number is x, then if you take away 5 from 5 times a number, so 5x minus 5. 5 times a number, you will get 50. So we have to find out the value of x. So 5x is equal to 55, x is equal to 11. So here the answer is 11. Now the next is add 4 to 1/4 of a number. Add 4 to 1/4 of the number gives 20. So here x upon 4 is equal to 20 minus 4 is 16. X is equal to 16 multiplied by 4, which gives you 64. So the answer is 2. Now the next one is if 1/5 of a number, here 1/5 of a number is 5 more than 1/10 of the same number. So here let's solve it. 5x minus 1 upon 10x equal 5. Taking LCM, we get 2x minus x equal to 50. Here x is equal to 50. So the next one is 1. So here the sequence is 3, 2, 1. So here option C is the correct answer. Now here question number 47 is based on the paragraph. So here the paragraph is Rahul walks 2/5 km from his home and reach at a point A. Then he walk straight about 450 meter and stop there. तो राहुल अपने घर से चलता है 2/5 किलोमीटर वो चलता है घर से और एक पॉइंट पर वो पहुंच जाता है. आफ्टर देन ही वॉक स्ट्रेट 450 वो मूव ऑन करता है एंड देन स्टॉप देयर. हिज फ्रेंड वॉकिंग टूवर्ड्स राहुल एंड हैज कवर्ड 850 मीटर. अब इसका फ्रेंड राहुल का जो फ्रेंड है वो राहुल की तरफ मूव ऑन करता हुआ आ रहा है और इसने डिस्टेंस कवर अप करा है 850 मीटर. डिस्टेंस बिटवीन देयर होम इज 2 किलोमीटर. सो लेट्स मेक राहुल्स होम एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स होम. So distance between Rahul home and his friend home is 2 kilometer. So this is the distance in between their homes. Now Rahul walk करता है 2/5 kilometer. So here he covers 2/5 kilometer from his home and reached point A. A point पे reach करता है. After that, what he do? Then he walks about 450 meter. Up, start walking toward 450 meter. Now what about his friend? His friend's walking towards Rahul and covered 850 meters. इसका friend ने start करता है चलना and he started 850 meter. His friend covered. अब इसके friend ने 850 meter का distance जो है वो cover up कर लिया है. अब question क्या पूछा जाता है? Question says that distance between Rahul and his friend is. इन दोनों के बीच का जो distance है वो कितना है? Now here what we have to do? We have to first find out total distance covered by Rahul. So here 2 by 5 multiply by 1000 because 2 by 5 is in the kilometer form and we are converting it into the meter plus 450. So distance covered by Rahul is equal to 400 plus 450 is equal to 850 meter. And here his friend also covered distance 850 meter. And now we are going to subtract 850 plus 850 from this 2 kilometer. And this 2 kilometer is now converted into meter and this will become 2000 meter. तो 2000 meter में से हम subtract करने वाले हैं दोनों का distance 850 plus 850. So here we get 2000 minus 850 plus 850 is 1700. So the answer is 300 meters. So the distance between Rahul and his friend is 300 meter. So our option C is the correct answer. Now in question number 48, total distance covered by Rahul and his friend. We have to find out the total distance covered by Rahul and his friend. So Rahul ने कितना distance cover up किया था? 400 meter plus 450 meter. This is the distance of Rahul plus what is the distance of his friend? That is 850 meter. So here after calculation we get 1700 meter. But the answer is given in the kilometer form. So we are going to convert this meter into kilometer and after dividing it by 1000 we get 1.7 kilometer. So here option D is the correct answer. Now the next question is question number 49. This is based on the paragraph. Now the paragraph is here the given bar graph shows the number of goals made by a football player during 5 years. 5 years में जो भी football player ने goals बनाए हैं that is given in this graph. Study the graph carefully and answer the following questions. Now based on this bar graph we have question number 40. In this question number 49 we have to find out the ratio of number of goals made by him during year 2003 and 2002. तो 2002 and 2003 का data हमें चाहिए together to the number of goals made by him in the 5 years. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग observation लेते हैं 2002 में कितने goals बनाए हैं 400 plus 2003 150 upon now the total number of goals made by him in 5 years. Let's check the number of goals in 2000. here, that is 200 plus 325 plus 400 plus 150 plus 275. So here we get 550 upon 1350. So after the cancellation, we get 11:27. So here the answer is option A, that is 11:27. So let's move on to the next question. Now here, in this question, what we have to find out? We have to find out the average number of goals made by the player during all 5 years. Total 5 years में कितने goals करे? He has done 1350 goals. Now we have to find out the average, and average is sum of all observations upon total number of observations. So here 1375 upon 5 gives us 270. So here option C is the correct answer. I hope you all understood the solution of this part. Thank you.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 7th reasoning conducted on 15 October 2023. Hope you performed very well. So let's get started. Question number 51 and 52. In each of the following questions, a number series is given with one term missing. Choose the correct alternative that will continue the same pattern and replace the question mark in the given series. So first, find the pattern of this series. So series is 482, 239, 158, 131, 122, and find the next number. So pattern of the question is 482 and minus 239. It means 243. So difference between 482 and 239 is 243. Now find the next difference. 239 minus 158. It means 81. Now find the next difference. 158 minus 131. It means 27. Now find the next difference. Next difference is 9. So pattern is 243. It means 3 to the power of 5. 81. 3 to the power of 4. 27. It means 3 power 3. 9. It means 3 square. So now next difference is 3 to the power of 5. 3 to the power of 4. 3 to the power of 3. 3 to the power of 2. Now next is 3 to the power of 1. It means 3. So next difference is 3. It means 122 minus 3. So next number is 119. So next term is 119. It means option B is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is 10, 20, 23, missing number 97 and 582. So first find the pattern. So pattern 10 to 20. 10 to 20, it means 10 multiplied by 2. It means 20. Now 20 plus 3, it means 23. Now again 23 multiplied by 4. It means 23 multiplied by 4. It means 92. So 92. Now 92 plus 5 multiply by 2 plus 3 multiply by 4 plus 5. It means 97. Now 97 multiply by 6. 97 multiply by 6, it means 582. 582. So series is, pattern is multiply by 2 plus 3 multiply by 4 plus 5 multiply by 6, now plus 7 multiply by 8 plus 9. So missing number is 92. 92 of the missing number of this series. So option D is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 53. Choose the one from the alternatives which most closely resembles the mirror image of the given question. So in this question, find the mirror image of at the rate. So mirror image of at the rate look like as follows. Then find the mirror image of dollar. So mirror image of dollar look like this. Okay, this part is near the mirror, so it will remains near the mirror in the mirror image. So mirror image of this figure look like as follows. It means option D is the correct answer. So option D is the correct answer. So next question is question number 54. Choose the alternative which is closely resembles the voter image of the given combination. So question is 5, 9, 2, 1, 6, R, G, M. First find the voter image of 5. So voter image of 5 look like as follows. Now voter image of 9. And next find voter image of 2. Voter image of 1. Voter image of 6. And find voter image of R. Voter image of G. And find voter image of M. So this is the correct voter image of given question. It means option D is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 55. If plus means divide, now minus means plus, multiply means minus, divide means multiply. What will be the value of following expression? So given expression is 38 into 23 minus 4 divided by 3 plus 6 minus 3 divided by 2. First substitute the sign of the given expression. So now question is 38 multiply means minus 23, minus means plus 4, divide means multiply 3, plus means divide 6, minus means plus 3, divided by means multiply by 2. So using BODMAS rule in this expression, so 38 minus 23 plus 4 into 3 divided by 6, it means 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 3 into 2. So 38 minus 23 plus 2 2 is 4. So 2 plus 3 into 2. So 38 minus 23, it means 15 plus 2 plus 3 into 2. So 15 plus 2, 17 plus 2, it means 20, multiply by 2, it means 40. So here 40 is the correct value of this expression. So it means option A is the correct answer. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 56. Select the correct combination of mathematical signs to replace abstract sign and to balance the given equation. So equation is so according to question, first taking option A, first abstract means divide, second abstract means plus 12, third abstract means multiply by 18, fourth abstract means minus 24, and fifth abstract means equals to 24. So now using word mass rule, 54 divided by 36, 54 divided by 36, it means 3 by 2. Plus 12 into 18 minus 24 is equals to 24. 3 by 2, it means 1.5 plus 12 into 18. 12 into 18, it means 216 minus 24 is equals to 24. So 217.5 minus 24 is equals to 24. So 217.5 minus 24 never equals to 24. It means option A is the incorrect option. Now take option B. Taking option B, 54, first abstract means divide, second abstract means multiply, 12, third abstract means minus 18, fourth abstract means plus 24. Now fifth abstract means 24 equals to 24. So 54 divided by 36, it means 3 by 2. 3 and 2. 18 to the 36 and 18 3 is 54. Multiply by 12 minus 18 plus 24 is equals to 24. So 2 6 are 12. It means 3 into 6. It means 18 minus 18 plus 24 is equals to 24. So 8 plus 18 minus 18, it means 24 is equals to 24. So it means option B is the correct answer of this question. So next question is question number 57. A square transparent sheet with a pattern is given in figure. Find out from amongst the alternative as to how the pattern would appear when the transparent sheet is folded at the dotted line. When the given image is to be folded along the dotted line, then we will get the image like this. Then we will get the image like this. So it means option C is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 58. In a row of student, Ashish is 15th place from the right end and Neha is 10th place from left end. If Neha is 20th place from right end, then what is position of Ashish from left end? So first, draw Ashish rank from the right end is 15 and Neha is 10 place from left end and Neha is 10 place from left end. If Neha is 20 place from right end, if Neha is 20 place from right end, then what is the position of Ashish from left end? Find the position of Ashish from left end. So first find the total person in this row. So formula is total is equals to left position plus right position of the same person minus 1. So Neha's left position is 10 plus Neha's right position is 20 minus 1. It means 29. 10 plus 20, it means 30 minus 1, it means 29. Okay, now find the Asi's position from the left end. So formula is total minus position of Asi's from right end plus 1. It means total is equals to 29 minus position of Asi's from right end is 15 plus 1. 15 plus 1. So 29 minus 15, it means 14. 14 plus 1, it means 15. So Asi's position of Asi's from left end is 15. It means option D is the correct answer of this question. So let's move on to the next question. So next question is question number 59. City A is located to the north of city B. City D is located to the east of city B. City C is located to the west of city D. City E is located to the south of city C and to the southwest of city A. What is the position of city B with respect to city C? Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. First is east, this is north, west, and this is south. And there are 4 cardinal direction. One is northeast, this is southeast, southwest, and this is northwest. So according to question, city A is located to the north of city B. City A is located to the north of city B. So north of B. A. So city A is located north of B. Now city D is located to east of city B. So this is the east of B. Here is D. So city D is located to the east of B. City C is located to the west of city D. So this is the west side of city D. So here is city C. City C is located to the west of D. Now city E is located to the south of city C. City E is located, so this is the south of C, here is E. City E is located to the south of city C, and to the city E is located to the southwest of city A. So this is the south of A, and this is the west of A, and city is located southwest. So city is located southwest of A. What is the position of city B with respect to city C? What is the position of city B with respect to city C? So B is to the east of C. B is to the east of C. This is the east side of C. So city B is located to the east of C. So it means option C is the correct answer of this question. So next question is question number 60. Rihanna drives 6 km west from her home and then turns left, drive 3 km. Again, she turn left and drive 10 km and reach her office. What is the shortest distance between her home and office? So, in this question, let's suppose A is the house of Rihanna. So, Rihanna goes 6 km in the west. She goes 6 km in the west and then take a left turn and goes 3 km. Again, she turns left and goes 10 kilometer and 10 kilometer reach her office. So reach her office. So this point is B, C and D. D is the office of Rihanna. So what is the shortest distance between her home and office? So find the distance between A and D, because A is the home of Rihanna and D is the office of Rihanna. So find the shortest distance between A and D. So find the value of AD. So according this, first draw a parallel line with respect to BC. So AE is parallel to BC. AE parallel to BC. So according this, ABC is equals to AE. BC is equals to AE. That means both are 3 kilometer. Similar, BA is equals to CE. BA is equals to CE. Both are 6 kilometer. Now ED is equals to CD minus CE. CD minus CE. CD means 10 minus CE, it means 6. So 10 minus 6, it means 4 kilometer. So ED is equals to 4 kilometer. Okay. Now in right angle triangle, AED. In right angle triangle AED, using Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, hypotenuse it means AD. Hypotenuse it means AD square is equals to perpendicular square. Perpendicular means AE square plus base square. It means ED square. AE it means 3 square plus ED means 4 square. Now 3 square it means 9 plus 4 square it means 16. So AD square is equals to 9 plus 16, it means 25 kilometer. So AD is equals to root 25, it means 5 kilometer. So shortest distance between her home to office is 5 kilometer, because value of AD is equals to 5 kilometer. So correct answer is option B is the correct answer of this question. Okay. Thank you everyone.